كله واحد.
All the root causes of the Syrian conflict were still there. The regime was weaker than before, and during the civil war, Assad didn't win the war, but he prevented everyone else from winning. And I think what's happening today, it's not only that there are external pressure by other armed groups, there is also clear some sort of an control. In this attack, we can definitely highlight the Turkish role in backing different armed groups on the ground, but also there are external players like Russia, which offered Assad huge support, especially 2015 onwards. But today, Russia does not seem to be as interested in supporting Assad the same way they supported him 9 years ago. The war in Lebanon was certainly consequential on the Syrian conflict. Hezbollah intervened in 2013 to support Assad, and they played a significant role. Now, that factor being taken out of the equation, the situation returned somehow to where it was almost 10 years ago, with Assad being on the back foot. But I think another crucial factor of why Hayat Tahrir Sham was able to push against the Syrian forces is that they have a goal, which lacks when we talk about the Syrian forces, they lack a clear goal of why they are still fighting this war. And that's why we're witnessing some sort of an alliance also between different armed groups that they all agree there is a need to topple Bashar al-Assad.